How to recover Worldapp account. Step 1. Open the Worldapp on your device, and on the login screen, you can tap the Forgot Account or Recover Account. Step 2. Enter the email or phone number associated with your account, and make sure that you use the one that you originally registered with. Step 3. Check your email or SMS for the verification code to recover your password or recover your account. Enter the code and confirm. Step 4. If you set up recovery methods like password or seed phrase, you will be asked to input them there. Carefully enter your password or paste the recovery phrase to restore the access on your account. Step 5. Once verified, the app will automatically restore your account, including your balance, transaction history, and settings. Step 6. An optional step. You can go to settings and then security and update your passwords or enable the 2FA for extra protection. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.